in a house or in a mouse. I do not want any green eggs and ham, Daniel. Leave me alone.
Would you like to eat them in a box? Would you eat them with a fox?
I'm going to sue you.
Not in a box, not with a fox, not in a house, not with a mouse. I would not eat them here or there. I will not eat them anywhere. I would not eat green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam I am. Would you, could you, in a car, eat them, eat them? Here they are. I could not, would not, in a car. You may like them, you will see. You may like them in a tree. Where the hell are these coming from?
He is imposing like no tomorrow.
I would not, could not in a tree, not in a car. You let me be. I do not like them in a box. I do not like them with a fox. I do not like them in a house. I'm going to buy this book. Okay. A train, a train, a train, a train. Could you, would you, on a train? Not on a train, not on a tree, not on a car. Sam, let me be.
I mean.
Are you recording this?
You know, by now he probably would have.
Say, in the dark, here in the dark. Would you, could you, in the dark?
Oh my
Kinky.
God, whoa.
Would you, could you, in the rain? I would not, could not in the rain, not in the dark, not on a train, not in a car, not in a tree. I do not like them, Sam, you see. Not in a house, not in a box, not with a mouse, not with a fox. I will not eat them here or there. I do not like them anywhere. Do you not like green eggs and ham? I do not like them, Sam, I am.
Boy, he's been saying that for 10 minutes.
Could you, would you with the goat? I would not, could not with the goat.
Ew.
Would you,
Whoa.
could you on a boat? I could not, would not on a boat. I will not with a goat. I will not eat them in the rain. I will not eat them on a train. Not in the dark, not in a tree, not in a car. You let me be. I do not like them in a box. I do not like them with a fox. I will not eat them in a house. I do not like them with a mouse. I do not like them here or there. I do not like them anywhere. I do not like green eggs and ham. I do not like them, Sam I am. How the hell are we talking underwater? You do not like them, do you say? Try them, and then you may. Try them, and then you may, I say. Sam, if you will let me be, I will try them, you will see. Green eggs and ham, they made that one day at my school.
Yeah.
This guy's persistent. Wow. Shiny.
Oh, yeah, I remember this one.